how you can get to your first $500 per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing promoting digital products. Now, as you watch this video, the first thing you have to understand is in 2025, if you want to make money online with ClickBank affiliate marketing, you need to choose the right offer. The offer that has the right upsell take rate. What do I mean by that? You see, as you watch this video, when you're promoting products with, let's say, Google ads or Facebook ads or YouTube ads on ClickBank, you have to understand that there are many different products you can choose from, different niches. But the most successful are the ones that are paying you high enough in average order value. What do I mean by that? You see, someone is going to buy $37 or $47 ebook. And after that, they're going to buy, I don't know, weight loss supplement for $280 or $300 for, I don't know, 6 bottles or 3 bottles, right? You also have digital products, of course, where you can make up to $500 or even $1,000 per sale. So it's all about the math, okay? The economics behind your ad spend. So let's say you spend, I don't know, $50 in one day. And let's say the total amount of money you can make from one product is $500 or $300 US. It's no problem, right? Even you spend $100 on Facebook ads in one day, and if one person buys entire funnel, meaning they buy the front end product, right, and then all the upsells, in the end of the day you make $300 US from one person buying entire funnel, entire set of all catalog products, right? So that's, my friend, how you can make a lot of money on ClickBank in 2025. Another thing is you need someone who is going to guide you and help you one-on-one, step-by-step over a Zoom call or something like that to set up your ad campaigns with Facebook ads or even Google ads. Doesn't really matter, okay? The only difference is social ads, like for example Instagram, Facebook, TikTok are social media platforms, right? They are social ads, are different from Google pay-per-click ads. Why? Simply because on Google, people are looking to buy the product or to get educated. One of those two things, nothing else, nothing less, nothing more. And why this matters? As you watch this video about affiliate marketing, is this because on Google you target people who have high enough buyer's intent. If you have buy courses in the past on ClickBank for many different ClickBank gurus and you lost money, you didn't make any money, you lost some time, it's not your fault. Why? Because all you have to do is, you have to understand, you were taught the wrong method, the outdated method that used to work few months ago. But now things are changing. It's not up to date anymore. And again, maybe you were taught to create curiosity clicks, curiosity driven ads and landing pages, advertorials, blog websites, right? Where people only click because they're curious enough, what is this weird ugly image about? But there is no buyer's intent behind it. There is no marketing psychology behind it, right? Maybe you target the wrong audience because males and females psychology is different in marketing terms, right? Okay? Maybe you also target the wrong people. Maybe you target with the wrong awareness levels. Some people are already product aware, okay? Some people are totally unaware. Some people are problem aware. Others are solution aware. So it all matters what audience awareness levels you are targeting, okay? Maybe someone else can make money, but you don't. And why? Because they don't understand this. You don't understand this. And again, it's not your fault. All you have to do is you have to connect with someone one-on-one who can help you and guide you through, hand-holding you along the way in 2025. So you can finally get up and running. If you have 20 to 30 minutes per day, you can do this. All you have to do is have 30 minutes per day. And you can run those campaigns. Because let's be honest, when you're sleeping, Google ads are still running. Facebook ads are still running. And as I said before, most people are afraid to spend money on ads because they don't know how it works in the right way. Okay? They don't know that it's about psychology. It's not just about spending money. It's about understanding psychology behind it, right? That's why you can have one person who spent $100 on Facebook ads and another person spend $100 on Facebook ads, and one person lose money and the other person makes $1,000 back or $500 back in a day. It's all about psychology of marketing, okay? Because at the end of the day, it's not the AI or ChatGPT that's buying the product. It's human being on the other side of your laptop. on the other side of the laptop is human being. It's not AI. It's not a robot. Okay? So they have emotions, they have desire, they have fears, they have everything like any other human being, like me and you. And you have to understand this. Now you don't have to learn this. All this can be done for you and together with you. If you are serious enough to take action now as you watch this video, take action now. And by now you should understand that you need someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step along the way. Not just buy a course and hope it works, but have actually someone who can help you, mentor you along the way to get up and running and fast forward your success and results in 2025. So if you have any more questions, you can, if you're serious enough, okay, don't waste my time. Don't waste my time. Don't reach out to me. If you don't have any money to invest in yourself, don't waste my time. Okay? Unsubscribe my YouTube channel. But if you have some money to invest in yourself, you have a little bit of time, and you're serious about taking this to another level, let me know. There's my Instagram, my WhatsApp, my Facebook Messenger, and my email, all in the description below.